Hello students, I am MS Mishra, I am math teacher of LPM Public School, Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. Dear students, as you know in the previous video I have already discussed about the linear equation and how to solve linear equation by the simultaneous operation on both sides of an equation. But today I will solve some problems based on the simultaneous method for solving linear equation, in which first question of exercise 4.1. First question of exercise 4.1 is exercise 4.1. Exercise 4.1. Question number 1 is solve each of the following equation and check your solution by substituting its value in the equation. Question number 1 is 6 equal 3a minus 2 equal 4. 6 bracket 3a minus 2 equal 4. Now, how to solve this linear equation? By the simultaneous method. Solution: 6 bracket 3a minus 2 equal 4. First of all, I will multiply 6 and 3a. 6 into 3a minus 6 into 2 equal 4. Now 6 multiplied by 3a will be 18a minus 6 to the 12 equal 4. Now here is minus 12. Now we add 12 both sides. Adding 12 both sides, it will be 18a minus 12 plus 12 equal 4 plus 12. Here minus 12 plus 12 will be cancelled. Then it will be 18a equal 16. Add 12 plus 4 equal 16. Now 18a equals 16, therefore a equal 16 upon 18. 2 8 is 16 and 2 9 is 18. Then it will be a equal 8 upon 9. Now I will put the value of a equal 8 by 9 in this equation. Check. How to check this equation? I will put value of a equal 8 by 9 in this equation. Then it will be 6, 3 into 8 by 9 minus 2 equals 6. Here 3 1 ja 3, 3 3 ja 9. Then it will be 8 upon 3 minus 2 equal 6. Here 3 multiplied by 2 will be 6. 8 minus 6 upon 3. Then it will be 6 into 8 minus 6 will be 2. 2 by 3. 3 2 ja 6. 2 2 ja 4. This is right hand side. We see there that when we put a equal 8 by 9 in this equation, we get right hand side 4. Therefore, our value of the equation a equal 8 by 9 is correct. Now, next question of this exercise 4.1. Question number is 3. Next question, part second. 3 y plus 3 3y plus 3 plus 2 equal 4. Solution of this equation. Solution of this equation. Now, question is 3y plus 3 plus 2 equal 4. Now, first of all, I will multiply y plus 3 by 3. Then it will be 3 into y plus 3 multiplied by 3 plus 2 equal 4. Now it will be 3y plus 3 3 ja, then multiply 3 by 3. We get 9. 9 plus 2 equal 4. Therefore, it will be 3y plus 9 plus 2 will be 11 equal 4. Now, here is plus 11. Therefore, we subtract 11 from both sides. Subtract 11 from both sides. Then it will be 3y plus 11 minus 11 equal 4 minus 11. 4 minus 11. Now, plus 11 cancelled by minus 11, and it will be 3y equal minus 7. 3y equal minus 7. Therefore, y equal minus 7 by 3. Y equal minus 7 by 3. Now, after this, I will check value of y equal minus 7 by 3 is correct or not correct. For this, we put value of y equal minus 7 by 3 in this equation. If we find 4, then our answer is correct. If we not find that 4, then our answer is not correct. Therefore, check of this equation. Our answer is wrong or right. For this, we put y equal check. put put y equal minus 7 by 3 in left hand side. Left hand side is 3. Value of y is minus 7 by 3 plus 3 plus 2. It will be 3 minus 7 by 3 minus 7, and for solving this bracket we multiply 3 with 3, then it will be minus 7 plus 3 3 is 9 upon 3 plus 2. Here 3 is cancelled by this 3, and it will be 9 minus 7 will be 2 plus 2 equal 4. 2 plus 2 equal 4. This is right hand side. Therefore, you see that if we put y equal minus 7 in left hand side, we get 4 as right hand side. Therefore, our answer is correct. Now, next question of this question. Next question is y minus 2 upon 2 equal 3. Now, how to solve this equation? Here in the denominator you see that 2, therefore you multiply to both sides. Multiply to both sides. Multiply to both sides, we get 2 y minus 2 upon 2 equal 3 into 2. Multiply to both sides. Here 2 is cancelled by this 2, and y minus 2 equal, when you multiply 3 into 2, we get 6. Now y minus 2 equals 6, therefore we add plus to both sides. But here is minus 2, therefore we add plus to both sides. Adding to both sides. We get y minus 2 plus 2 equals 6 plus 2. Minus 2 plus 2 cancel. Therefore, it will be y equal, when we add 6 plus 2, we get 8. Y equal 8. Therefore, y equal 8 is the solution of this equation. But how I'll check this solution, that our answer is correct or not? So I will put y equal 8 in left hand side. If we find 3, then our answer is correct. If you not find that 3, then our answer is wrong. Therefore, checking of this solution. Put y equal 8 in left hand side. 8 minus 2. Here we put y equal 8. Therefore, it will be 8 minus 2 upon 2. equal, when we subtract 2 from 8, we get 6. Therefore 6 upon 2, 2 3 are 6, where it is right hand side. We get, when we put y equal 8 in the left hand side, we get 3 right hand side. Therefore our answer is correct. Now I hope that all question is clear to you, and you can do this type of question very easily. Be positive and do all these types of questions. Goodbye.